Feet and knees will be on the ground. Keep like this. Then one by one, straighten your legs. Then lift them one by one. On coming back to the normal position, first put your knees on the ground. This is Mayurasana. Glow, radiance, shine on your face will increase if you practice Mayurasana. Your face will become bright. This is Mayurasana. Your stomach will remain healthy. Mayurasana. It is a bit difficult, but will become easy with practice. After Mayurasana, you may walk like a peacock and also add Vrikshasana to it. This asana is specially designed for children. This peacock walk and Vrikshasana are practiced by standing on your hands. It requires a bit of effort, but can be done with a little practice. This is a special exercise for the youth. Middle-aged people must not do this. In case you start the practice in your childhood, then you will be able to do it at any age. For Vrikshasana, you stay at one place, and in peacock walk, you will walk. These few exercises were a little tough, but young people love doing tough exercises. They feel that body must become a little more flexible and stronger. That's why we designed this set of exercises specially for the youth. 7 pranayams and these 7 special asanas. After this, we bring a special exercise for the youth, because every young person wants to have a healthy body, a strong and attractive and muscular body, muscular thighs and arms. He wants to look strong. To build his muscles, he goes to the gym. But those children who can't afford to go to a gym, they feel bad about it. They keep cribbing, they feel hopeless. Such children feel guilty that his parents are not capable of sending him to a gym. They can't afford the gym's fees. Or he feels confused even if he manages to take admission as to what exercises to do. Gyms are full of exercise equipments. If he lifts more weight, then he may sprain his back. We will explain you about our traditional exercises which have been part of our culture, our tradition, our lifestyle. In the tradition of Gurukul and in our villages, even today, push-ups and squats are common practice, which makes your limbs, your muscles, your nervous system healthy. Strong arms, strong thighs, broad chest. You will have a muscular chest. Your stomach will become healthy. You will have healthy, beautiful, strong, fit body, healthy body. Your concentration will improve. Continue doing pranayam. Now, we will tell you some special exercises. 11 types of push-ups and 7 types of squats. And after that, some more easy exercises, practice of which will help your personality to develop fully and will help you acquire a beautiful body. First of all, in this process, we will practice push-ups or dand. To practice a push-up, first of all, we take this sitting position. For every type of push-up, this will be the starting position. This first position is the position of rest. For every push-up, this is a traditional exercise. This is the way traditional exercises are done in India. This is the tradition by which our saints and teachers used to keep themselves fit, and students at traditional Gurukul schools used to be strong, healthy, energetic and fit. Now this is the position of rest and this is of readiness. This is the position of rest and this is of readiness. In Sanskrit, this is called Vishrama and this is Sajja. We are explaining a set of 11 push-ups or dunts. First of these is called simple push-up. Knees straight. You have to keep your knees absolutely straight, and along with this you must keep your toes close to each other. Both hands a little apart. Distance between two hands will be enough to allow your chest to touch your hands and arms when it goes down and then goes up. After this we come back to normal position. One push-up in one breath. But those willing to do this with a long pranayam, they can do up to 5 push-ups in one breath. You will get the benefit of this exercise as well as that of pranayam. Concentration will improve along with patience. After taking a deep breath, you go down like this. Both arms will be touched by your chest when it's going down, where you must stay for a while, then slowly lift your chest up, then back to normal. 1, 2, 3. First day do it only once or twice. Slowly increase the number. Later on you can do this 10 times. With practice only, you can increase the count. If you are really fond of making your body beautiful, strong and healthy, you can do this for a longer duration. But never overdo it the first day. Otherwise, your hands will pain. Take a deep breath. On count of 1, go down. Come up on 2. And normal position on 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it slowly. First take a deep breath. Then go down slowly. And watch out. Your chest must touch your arms, knees straight and breath in. This is first push-up. Now the second one. In this exercise, our feet will remain still like this. Knees will remain straight. Taking a deep breath, we will go forward and do 3 push-ups. We will go down and come back up. Again we will go down, come up. Once again we will go down, then lift ourselves up and back to normal. Thrice forward. 1, 2, 3. Then we come back. This is the second push-up exercise. Now the third push-up, in which we put all our body weight on our arms. This will make our arms very strong and healthy. With this exercise, you will be able to make your arms very strong and healthy. This is position of rest. You will need it in between exercises. Always remember, all these exercises, we are telling you, never overdo them at one go. Otherwise, your arms will start paining. Muscles will start paining. Therefore, always do these slowly. This is position of rest. Now, position of readiness. Now go down completely. Taking a deep breath, you will take your whole body down. And then come back up. Again go down. Whole body. Come up. Whole body. This is how the third push-up is done. Each push-up has to be done only once initially. Second day onwards, do it twice or thrice. Gradually increase your practice. Then you will be able to do these up to 5 to even 10 times. Even if you do these 10 times, it will suffice. There will be no need to do it more than that. Your body will become healthy, beautiful, strong and fit. Now we will do the fourth push-up. It's called Ram Murti Dand. It's a very special exercise. Requires a lot of strength. This is the position of rest. Now get into position of readiness. Take a deep breath. One push-up to be done in one breath. We started from here and we go down very slowly. Then we come back exactly the way we had gone down. Both arms touching your chest. Breath in. This way. One push-up to be done in one breath. Now see how it is to be done. Both knees straight. Both feet together. Both toes together. One push-up to be completed in one breath. We will repeat it again. Up till now, we have told you about 4 push-ups in the list of 11 push-ups. The 5th one is slightly easy and simple. Distance between both hands remains as much as the width of your chest. Now be in the position of rest. In readiness, both feet will go back in position of readiness. And now, while breathing in, bring the right leg in front and then bend downwards. 1, breath in. 2, up. 3, back to normal. 1, 2, 3. We are explaining to you the 5th exercise. Now, we will move on the next one. 5th one is rather easy. Everyone can do it. Now, the difficult ones. But if you learn with concentration, you will be able to learn. You won't face any problem. This is the position of rest. Now in readiness, both feet go back. And now, we will lift our right leg and go down. We will stay there for a while. Back again, leg down. Now raise your head, then lift your waist. Now we will do it with a count. On count 1, lift your leg. 1, 2, bring the leg down and raise your head. Complete it on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This 6th push-up is a bit difficult. Now the 7th push-up. It's called Parshvadanda. This is rather difficult, but with practice it becomes very easy to do. You need to understand it properly. This push-up includes a few asanas as well. If you do one push-up in one breath, then your practice of pranayama will also happen. This is the position of rest and this is position of readiness. Take a deep breath. We will bring the right leg from front across the left leg and rest it on the floor. Observe this position of the right leg. This is the position. Both knees remain straight. This is count 1. On 2, lift your head. 3, normal position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. 1. Stretch the leg to the maximum. Observe the legs, both knees straight. 2, 3. Parshvadanda. Now facing the camera. First observe, then you will practice. These are very simple, easy exercises. But it will take a little practice to master these. But with practice, one becomes perfect. We have told you about 7 push-ups. Now the 8th one. This is a bit difficult. This push-up is called Palat Dand. Both legs at the back in readiness. Now we will lift the right leg. Take a breath. 1 push-up in 1 breath. Lift the leg fully, then take it towards the opposite hand. Breath in like this. Come back and back to the normal position. Like this. 1, 2, leg back in normal position, then raise your chest. 1, 2, 3. Leg at the back remains straight. And this leg near the opposite hand. This is the 8th push-up. Now, a round of even more difficult push-ups. Chakradand, 9th push-up. When we demonstrate this Chakradand, you will realize that with little attention and practice and efforts to learn, you will be able to do it properly. This has to be done carefully. The first step, lift your one leg. In other exercises, you took your legs backwards. In this one, you take it sideways. Both hands in the front. Now slowly balancing your body on the left foot, you will bring your right leg from front in a circular fashion and then bring it to the opposite side like this. And then we will raise our head. This is one complete push-up. This leg goes to the front, then back. Then you raise your head, then back to the normal position. Now same practice with the other leg. Your leg goes in the front, then back, raise the head and come back in this position. Now we will do this with both legs one by one. Whenever the leg comes in the front, you will lift your hands. Leg making a circle. Now we will do it a little fast. Now hands will raise automatically and leg will make a circle. 1. Same with the other leg. This was Chakradand, the 9th push-up. Now we will practice the 10th push-up, which is a bit more difficult. But with practice, nothing remains difficult. Impossible becomes possible. And at your age, when you are still studying, you are young, the word impossible should not be in your dictionary. With your courage, with practice, with dedication, you can turn impossible into possible. This 10th push-up that we are explaining is a bit difficult, but you will be able to do it like this. You will balance your body weight on both hands and lift both your legs together at 90 degrees in Vrikshasana position and come back to the normal position. Slow movement. You will be able to do this with practice. Practice slowly. Initially do it on the ground or on sand so that you maintain a balance. When you practice slowly initially, this is what will happen. Initially, your feet will touch your buttocks like this. With practice, you will be able to straighten your legs like this. Like this. And now, 11th push-up. This is a bit difficult, but with regular practice, nothing remains difficult. Everything becomes simple. 11th push-up. Every push-up has to start with 1 on the first day, then take it to 5, then gradually after a lot of practice, take it to 10. If you wish to do more, then you may do each push-up up to 25 times depending on your stamina and ability and how much time you can devote for it and how much you wish to make your body healthy, beautiful, strong and fit. 11th exercise is a bit difficult. First the normal push-up, then legs will go in front, then will come back. This is normal push-up. After completing normal push-up, legs will go in front from between both your hands. And then both legs will come back like this. Now with pranayam, whole exercise in one breath. These exercises, these traditional exercises that we told you about were practiced by Indians to keep themselves fit and healthy. So, to keep fit, we have shown you these 11